Hi lovely viewers, welcome once again to Ama's Corner. My name is Nana Ama Akumah. Today I'm going to show you how to make Koose. In Ghana we call it Koose, but in Nigeria we call it Akara. It's one of my favorites. I hope you're going to learn something new today. Ama's Corner would like to urge you all to always wash your hands with soap. Use your hand sanitizer to help fight the coronavirus. Thank you. So without wasting much time, I'm going to tell you all the ingredients that I'm going to use for my Koose or Akara. We have our black eyed beans, as you can see. So what you do with these beans is you're going to put it into water, you soak it for overnight, and the next morning you peel up the skin from it. I'm going to take time and create a new video to show you how you're going to peel off the skin. So this is the black eyed beans. As you can see, the skin is being peeled off. 1 medium onion, 1 hot fresh chili, 2 eggs, salt to taste, and 1 cup of water. So at this point I'm going to transfer the soaked beans into my blender. You have to make sure you drain off the water before putting it into your blender. I'm going to dice my onion and add it to my beans. After that, you add 1 fresh chili into it and your cup of water. Add my 2 eggs to it. At this point, I'm adding my salt. I do not have measurement for that. So now we're going to use our hand mixer. You can use a tablespoon or any scooper to scoop your Koose or Akara. Then you leave it in like that. So at this point our Akara is ready. So you have to put a paper towel in your drainer so that it can absorb the oil from your Akara. There we go, into your drainer. Guys, this was a very simple recipe. I hope you've learned something new today. I hope you tried this at home with the family and you will love it. At this point, I'm going to open it up for you to see how soft and very nice fluffy texture that we have in there. It's not too heavy, very light. Just open it up. As you can see, very soft, very nice. I would like to invite my junior sister, Mary Baidu, to have a taste of our Akara or Ghana Koose. How does it taste like?
This is really nice.
What would you like to tell my subscribers?
Subscribe to Ama's Corner.
Thank you. So you can eat Ghana Koose with Hausa cocoa, white cocoa, whatever you want to eat with. Or you can eat it just like that with Milo or any breakfast. Thanks to Fofofo Market for always supporting Ama's Corner. We are very, very grateful. I also like to thank Nana's Hair Braiding on Facebook for doing these beautiful braids. It's very nice, very affordable. It's a wig, but it looks really nice on me. You can contact her on Facebook at Nana's Hair Braiding, and she will do exactly the way you want. I'll see you the same time next week. Bye.